plan or plan.
See, that's the problem with kids of your generation. You're always on your phones.
I swear we're working.
Oh, yeah.
We are.
What are you working on?
So we're actually looking at apps that help us with our individual industries.
Okay, that passes. What do you got? You got apps that you use?
I do. So for me, we're going to reference my code book all the time, our Bible.
This is seriously your Bible?
Yeah.
You need a new religion. This thing, you got to refer to this?
We refer to this. It's not quite as bad as you think, but it's a pretty big book.
Oh, it's worse.
Luckily, someone makes a Cliff Note version.
The little version of this one.
That's it.
Hang on a second. Is it really called
It's really called Uglies. It's been around a long time, and we found out the name came from the guy that created it. So he was an electrician, but he was also a boxer, and his nickname was Ugly.
That's awesome. Ugly goes down in the 6th round. Anyway, handy.
Cliff Note version of this. It does the majority of what we do during the course of the day. Box fill, conduit fill, ampacity of wires, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But now, an app version of it. It'll give us all the basic tables we're going to use, but it also has a search function.
Nice.
Search exactly what you're looking for, do the calculation, move right on.
Heath's got Ugly on the phone.
Ugly on the phone.
I like it. All right. How about, we might run out of time. Lee, we're going to let you get in here first. This guy.
The app I'm using is picture this. Walking around the yard first with a customer, whatever you're doing. You see something, you might not know about it, so you go in the app, hit it, scans it, tells you what it is, tells you if it's toxic, not toxic, good for the kids, when's it flower, what's it need for fertilizer, things like that.
So
really good app.
How's it doing?
Doing okay. This thing is nice and healthy.
Doing better than your profession, pal. You're going to be out of a job.
That's pretty cool.
Nah, you'll never be out of a job.
I'm still good.
All right. You and I
We got
have
apps.
done like 3 or 4 sections on apps. You got more?
We got more apps.
What's
Yeah,
the
a lot of apps. I mean, so we got a couple different things. We got the tools, right? So a lot of manufacturers are making tools now that interact with the phone. So if you want to measure air handler performance, if you want to track static pressure, if you want to track indoor air quality, you want to data log temperature, relative humidity, all that stuff comes through the app on the phone. So there's those tools. They're super helpful, make our lives a lot easier.
Are they coming over to the phone like in real time?
Real time, and then you can also, in a lot of those, you can data log. So you can set it and then come back and basically download the data.
That's powerful.
So that's really powerful. And then take that a step further, there's the calculators. So we have one like the Ductilator, we have the Psychro app. These are ones that basically...
Oh, hey, excuse me, hang on, full stop. I thought that was a good name. Ductilator?
Ductilator.
Seriously?
He wins.
Yeah.
It's a total win.
I'll take the cake on the geek.
Somebody get me the Ductilator.
It's a great app. It's a great app. So for example, I can put an airflow rate in of 100 CFM and a friction rate limit of 0.07. And if I click on this duct, it's going to tell me 100 CFM. I can go through a 4x10 duct, so I can make sure that my duct system is going to work with the air handler that we have.
Wow.
Yeah, right there. Boom.
You are so excited about the Ductilator.
I mean,
What am I using? Thanks for asking, guys, by the way. I'm still using a photo app. Have you met the 2 new additions to the family?
Look at those two.
Love that. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.